slimy glue.
I have that. Yeah.
Yes, she does, and it's cotton candy. Alright guys, before we start, we really appreciate all our subscribers, so we would like to give a shout out to Julia Durrani Vlogs. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel.
Yes.
If you guys want to be shouted out in our next video, make sure you subscribe, and that's all you have to do to be shouted out in any of our videos. And thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell too.
Yes. So let's start with the slime. Let's see the ingredients. Okay, so we got it. Okay, so we have the bag open and we got some paint.
We have activator, we have cotton candy scent.
We have paint that is blue, purple, and pink.
We have baking soda, a measuring cup, and
we have a mixing spoon,
clear glue, and another mixing spoon.
Yeah.
So you guys all know about my magical powers. I can make things appear, disappear, basically whatever I want.
So we need a bowl.
Alright, I got you, girl.
We have a bowl right here. And what else we need is a cup of warm water.
We need 7 ml of water. Is that this? I just noticed something. This matches the color of our background. I totally forgot to mention our new background. So I painted this morning. It's really like lighting and stuff. So
yeah.
I hope you guys like our new background.
Wait, is that glue? This is that glue?
Yes.
Okay, it's glue. This is gonna be so much fun making this. Yeah.
You can mix now.
Okay.
You got glue on me.
Sorry, I'm mixing it right now.
Alright, so now the next step says to put 1 fourth of baking soda, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, are you ready?
Now this is how it looks. Okay guys, so like it's starting to turn into slime. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna need your guys' help. To recharge my magical powers, I need you guys to give a like to this video in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1!
Have you done that yet?
I hope you did because
yeah.
Let's see if you did. If you did, then my magical powers work. Alright, I need 2 more bowls. Alright, time to see if you guys really did it. I really hope you did.
We need 2 bowls.
Are you ready?
Yeah. 2 more bowls.
Alright, now what we're gonna do is you're gonna pour a little bit into each.
Yeah, so you got some for yours.
And then we're gonna keep some in the middle, obviously.
Yeah, so we can have some for the other slime.
So now we're gonna pour in the paint.
Yeah, then we're gonna pour in the activator, make it into slime. This one's blue, this one's purple, and this one's pink. Comment down below which color you like better.
Almost the last thing that we have to do is put this cotton candy scent in it and like, let's see if it smells good.
Can I smell it?
Oh my god, it actually smells so good.
Oh, it smells really good.
It smells really good.
It almost smells like cotton candy, almost. But it really smells like ice cream and blue.
Alright, you can mix that in now. I'm gonna put more in all of them. Can you mix the pink one too?
So it's starting to smell really good.
Alright, now we're gonna put the activator in.
Yeah.
And I hope that it works. So let's see. It says only to put a little bit at a time. Alright, you can put a little bit.
On yours.
Oh, it's starting to form.
A little bit in mine. Okay, I'm gonna mix yours first. Yours is forming. Look, yours is it.
I can't tell if I need more. It's like
Mine is turning good.
no, I need a little. Mariah, that's so much.
I'm gonna need mine with my hands now. Wow. It feels so good. I can't believe that we literally made this, guys.
Literally.
Awesome. This, you gotta feel yours. Feel yours.
Wait. I'm trying to like.
It's so stretchy. It's stretchier than mine. Jeez Louise. That's something my mom used to say. It doesn't feel like slime, but it actually is. I can't believe I put in too much.
I told you put in too much.
Ooh,
This feels so good.
Look inside. It's clear.
Mine isn't clear on the inside. This one's really stretchy, wow.
Yeah, I made yours really good.
All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay them. First, we're gonna lay them in order so it shows the ombre of this, so it matches the background. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a bowl and we're gonna mix them all together so it's the real ultimate cotton candy slime.
we're gonna lay this on the table.
But we need a clean table, don't we? Okay, I got this. Move back! Yeah!
Yeah, we got it clean. Now,
All right, but I'm gonna use my web slinger this time because y'all know that I'm like sort of Spider-Man, so like, got it. That was pretty cool, guys.
okay, guys, we made
So this is the donut time. I'm so excited. This was like, I love donuts.
Now we're gonna.
Speaking of donuts, after this video, make sure you go check out Mariah and Angel's donut tasting challenge. It was like pretty cool. It was pretty fun, and I got to eat donuts too.
And we need one bowl. So I'm gonna use my magic this time. Bam! Now we got it. So we're gonna open it up. Okay, so we're gonna see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. We have two different colors. That makes me so happy.
Oh, glitter, glitter.
Oh my God, we got a donut!
Let me see.
All right, now let's look at the directions. Let's see how we made the slime.
We got Nora.
Wait, let me see.
We got glitter.
What the heck was that? Stop! What are you doing? All right, you ready? So we're gonna start with the glue.
Yeah. Can I pour in my glue? Can I pour in the glue?
Oh, that's not glue. That's activator. Oops. Okay, so they meant glitter glue, and I thought they meant clear glue. Oh, where's the baking? Here it is. Go ahead and mix.
I'm gonna mix it up.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna add both.
Alyssa, can you please help?
Yes, of course I can help.
Yeah, and it's looking pretty.
See how glitterful this is? All right, I think it's time to do the activator.
After this, we're gonna pour some donuts in it. Okay, so she's mixing it, and that's what it looks like. And it's really pretty.
It's really good. It feels really good too.
Yeah, can I feel?
Yes, you can.
Whoa, this is so good. Look how stretchy this is. Okay, guys.
I have a way to make it better.
Ooh, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna cut this bottle open so we can get the rest of the glitter glue out of it.
She is pouring it in.
Mix.
Okay. Oh, it got all over my hands. Oh, my hands. No.
All right, keep mixing.
There it is. Wow. Oh, it's better than when we added the glue.
I told you.
Yeet. Ow. Hit me in the face.
Like, it's really actually amazing.
Yeah.
It's time to add the donuts. If you guys are looking up the sets and you found this because of that, I hope you guys enjoyed making yours. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. We post just about every single day, so make sure you turn on those post notifications. Comment down below which slime you like more. I personally, like, I don't know, I couldn't really decide. I really like them both. And oh, our Twitter's at DinkyLandTV. And we have an Instagram at DinkyLandTV. Friday, June 1st is National Donut Day.
Yeah.
Get ready for some donut videos.
Yeah. My donut fell on my side.
Well, I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.